Hi, welcome back to Rosy Budgets, or welcome if you're new. This is my wallet reset video. I came down with a slight cold a couple days ago, so I'm really tired because I haven't slept very well. My sinuses, I don't know, you could probably hear it. I can feel it for sure. My sinuses are not my friend right now. But we are going to do this. This is actually Friday night for a change. It is like 8:35. Gremlin and I are the only two people home. Her mom went to bingo with a friend of hers. So, but Gremlin's just vibing in the room, so. But I have absolutely nothing in my laundry thing. Whatever. I don't even know what it is. Doesn't matter. I've been awake since like 2:30, somewhere between 2 and 2:30 this morning. So I'm really tired. But I kind of want to get this done because I have plans in the morning, 10 o'clock-ish. I have plans with a friend to hopefully get the mug finish painting the mug I started like almost 2 weeks ago at this point. So, not a whole lot of chains left over here, but we got a little bit. Yeah, the place opens at 10, so she wants to meet up at about that time, and then after we're done, we can grab lunch. So, $1 left over in groceries. Admittedly, I had 3, but I needed... Oh, I forgot to swap that up. I needed more caffeine today at work, so I didn't spend my 5. I think I had ones in here too, but I used those, obviously. And I was going to exchange this. So, give me a moment. Okay, so now we have that exchanged. So now there's 6 sitting there. I haven't needed that yet. And this is just left over from my own spending money. Okay. If I counted this correctly earlier this evening, which I'm like 95% sure I did, there's 103 here. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, work was terrible today because of the sinus pressure. It's like trying to be a thing. Like with my safety glasses on, I could feel it and it was terrible. And it's like all day it's been progressively getting worse, like the congestion itself. So, okay, $10 laundry. Although I think I said groceries last week, and I don't know why. But now for groceries, we have our normal $75. I did have a 50, but I am keeping my rent money. I'm pulling out the cash for my rent money, and I'm keeping it here. So to condense that, I just swapped the 50 for $50 of smaller bills out of that from last week. Personal money, my goodness. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't even have the right die out for this. Might as well pull these out too. Okay. And it's a 7. Ah, man, that means I gotta exchange this 5 again. Okay, we'll get to that in a minute. So 7, that will maybe make it to next Friday or Saturday, depending on when I'm able to record this. I think I'm gonna take the last $8. Because I don't, that's still got what it needs. So I don't need more for that. So I think I'm going to take the $8, stick it in with all of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Do I really want to give myself $21 for tinies? Or do I want to put this 5 somewhere else? Or this 10 somewhere else? I really wish you guys could tell me what to do. I'm too tired. It's too late at night. I don't want to make decisions. I think I'm going to take these and add it to the money for my minis and just have a few more extra spicy 5s to go into the mix. So we're going to set that up there. That means this is done. And I have $11 for my tinies. So that's it for this video. Oh, I remember now. Okay, so forgive the fact that there's stuff already cut out of them, but I downloaded some freebies and printed them earlier this evening. These ones are from Angela Marie 888. It's October, November, and December. Clearly, you can read, I'm sure. But yeah, I thought they were cute, and I don't have a whole lot of minis, I think, left for October specific, so I wanted at least one more. So I downloaded this, and then I also downloaded this set of tinies. It was a thank you for 400 subscribers from 4 Dizzy Birds, and I've been watching both of these ladies because I try my best not to use challenges, freebie challenges, and I just realized you can't see that very well. I am so sorry. I'll show you the other ones again. I try my best not to use freebie challenges from people I'm not watching. So I started watching these ladies recently. And I have a few others that I started watching that I need to go look at their Ko-fis and see what they have available. And also, I just realized I didn't do anything with this. I should get a gremlin in here to take the pennies. Or I'll just bring them to her later. I'll bring them to her later. I told her I was thinking about recording tonight, and she's like, without me? I'm like, yeah, it's not your time yet. Relax. Okay, that is it for me. I apologize for it being a little bit scattered. My brain feels a little bit scattered, but that's mostly because I'm tired and still slightly under the weather, mostly because of my sinuses being just right now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you made it to the end of the video, please leave a like, a comment, or subscribe if you're not already. I'm actually two away from 100. Like, finally. It's only taken almost a year. But I'll take it, because I honestly thought I would have given up by now. Because I'm so easily discouraged, and I That doesn't mean I'm not getting discouraged, because I do all the time, because I'll look at numbers and things, but I'm like, I keep telling myself that a lot of this is just for me. And if anybody likes it and wants to watch it and vibes with it or whatever, they can. I mean, I'm not forcing anybody to. So, yeah, but I'm almost to 100 and I'm really excited about that. And I may have already made something for when it happens. So, we'll see how long it takes for me to post it. Anyway, I hope you guys have a good morning, afternoon, evening, whenever you're watching this, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye, guys.